You don't need more motivation to fix your discipline. You need a system that doesn't depend on motivation. Discipline isn't about willpower, it's about building a small, repeatable promise your brain can trust again. Here's the 3-minute system that works. Step 1. Make the promise smaller than feels useful. Most people fail because they bet too big. 6 gym sessions, perfect diet, no scrolling. That's not a mission. That's friction your brain can't survive. When you make a promise that big, your brain calculates the cost and looks for an exit. The couch, the phone, I'll start Monday. Pick something so small it almost feels embarrassing. 5 minutes of reading, 1 set of push-ups, 1 glass of water before your phone. A small kept promise teaches your brain you can be trusted. A big broken promise teaches it the opposite. Step 2. Make it specific and tie it to something you already do. Vague promises slip away. Like, I'll work out tomorrow, or I'll work out more. That's not a promise. That's a feeling. Specific promises can't hide. After I finish my coffee, I'll put on my gym shoes. Before I open Facebook, I'll send 3 follow-up messages. Tie it to something you already do every single day. Your morning coffee, your shower, your prayer time. That existing habit becomes the trigger that fires the new action. You're not asking your brain to remember. You're letting your existing life remind it. Step 3. When you miss, don't make it a story. You'll miss, and you'll tell yourself, I knew I couldn't do this. I always quit. A missed day is just data, not a verdict. What matters isn't whether you miss. What matters is how fast you come back. Missing once is normal. Missing twice in a row is where the old pattern starts to rebuild itself. So when you miss, don't analyze, don't punish yourself. Just show up the next day. Same small promise, same specific action. That's how trust gets rebuilt. One kept promise, then another, then another. Small, specific, anchored. Forgive yourself fast when you miss. That's the system. No motivation required. Full breakdown on the Plaza Method. And next Sunday, I'm breaking down why you procrastinate even when you know exactly what you need to do. It's not laziness. It's not lack of motivation. There's a specific reason your brain stalls. I'll see you then.